Alli Weight Loss Reviews Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking to shed pounds with the help of a supplement, Alli Weight Loss is a popular option, but most people get this wrong by expecting dramatic results without diet or exercise. The surprising truth is that alli isn't an approved over-the-counter medication designed to reduce fat absorption, but its effectiveness depends on lifestyle changes. A typical pack of alli costs between for a 1-month supply, with discounts available for multi-month bundles. It's available online and in most drug stores. Some insurance plans may cover related weight loss programs but not the medication itself. What you get: an FDA-approved fat-blocking pill that can help you lose 5–10% of your body weight over time when combined with a low-fat diet and regular exercise. What you give up: potential gastrointestinal side effects like oily stools or frequent bowel movements, and the financial cost of consistent use. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Follow the recommended per meal dosage. Step 2. Stick to a diet with no more than 30% calories from fat. Step 3. Incorporate daily physical activity to enhance results. Step 4. Monitor your progress and consult a doctor if you experience severe side effects. You won't believe what happens next if you misuse it. Side effects can be uncomfortable, and results may be minimal without diet and exercise. The surprising truth is that alli works best as part of a comprehensive weight loss plan, not as a standalone solution. In conclusion, alli Weight Loss offers a cost-effective, science-backed way to support weight loss when used responsibly. Understanding pricing, proper usage, and expected outcomes ensures you get real value for your money.